Feed your cats by Anna Lentz. After the cats agreed to stay the night, the woman said,
"Well, it's settled,"
and picked up their bowls, placing them in the sink. While she washed the dishes, the cats began to sniff around the kitchen. Marbles looked under the table. Ninja explored next to the refrigerator. The kitchen smelled like cinnamon, dried flowers, and buttered toast. Then the woman left suddenly and returned with a basket stuffed like a pepper with a tattered quilt. She placed the basket next to the oven, which was still warm from the baked pie. She said,
"All right, you can sleep here tonight, kitties,"
and then abruptly left the room again, turning the light off and leaving the cats alone. Ninja carefully sniffed the quilt in the basket. It smelled like cedar trees and was unbelievably soft. Feeling that the basket was safe, she said, "Come on, Marbles, let's get in." Marbles kneaded the quilt like a baker kneads dough before curling up next to Ninja. Except for the ticking of a clock, it was quiet in the kitchen. Marbles broke the silence.
"Hey, Ninja."
"Yes, Marbles?"
"I can't fall asleep."
"Just close your eyes and take a long, slow breath." As Marble inhaled deeply, there was a loud screech. Screech! The cat's eyes widened. "Marbles, did you hear that?"
"Ninja, I'm scared."
"Me too." Screech! The cats ran out of the kitchen into a room where the light was still on. They found the woman sitting in a chair with sewing on her lap. The cats sat at her feet.
"Kitties, are you frightened of the owl? Come on, let me tell you a story."
She lifted the cats onto her lap.
"Barred Owl's a friend of ours. He hunts in the darkest part of the night. He uses only his hearing to look at his prey. Nobody ever sees or hears him coming. That when he calls out, he makes that screeching noise. It sounds scary, but he is actually calling to his mate. He's telling her that he wants to build a nest with her. There is nothing to be afraid of. Owl just wants to home like you two do. Now back into the kitchen and into your basket."
Tucking the cats back into their basket, the woman said one last thing.
"Our ability to listen is very powerful, kitties. Don't forget it."
A minute after the woman left, Marble said,
"I'm still afraid, Ninja."
"Me too, Marbles."
"Wait, I've got an idea. Try putting a potato on your head."
The cats put potatoes on their heads. "I'm still scared."
"Me too." "Hey, Ninja, remember how we would sing to Mama?"
"Yes, good idea, Marbles." Listening to each other, like the woman said to do, the cats purred a beautiful song. Marbles purred for Ninja, and Ninja purred for Marbles until they both fell asleep.
Voiced by
Anna Lentz,
Penelope Sluka,
Babe Sluka.
and Patrick Sluka. Like and subscribe.
Follow on Instagram at springbird_Anna Lentz and at